What's going on, guys? Decelation. Got Brian.
What's up, peeps?
And we're back on the Factory 535 hot rod truck. What are we working on today?
You're going to slap on this fuel hose.
Yeah.
And this little fuel filler cap thingy over here and get that right into there. So
Get that in there, right from this hole to here. Because we kind of re-engineered because I wanted to be able to easily take the bed in and out to access the battery or my fuel system, you know, simple things. But yes, so that's what we're gonna work on right now. Might be kind of a short video today, I think.
it might be.
It won't have really too much else because next week we're gonna focus on lighting after that.
It's one more thing to do before we have to try to sand.
You know, lighting and oil coolers are the last thing we have to do before it starts sanding time. No, we got to fit the doors. Which I don't know which one I don't want to do more. Fitting the doors, because these are.
I'm gonna make this thing all-wheel drive and put it on some 40-inch super swampers.
No, we're not doing that.
It'd be easy to get into.
It's still easy to get into. You just fall in.
Well, the passenger side.
I hate you.
Passenger door.
I hate you right now. All right, we're gonna get going. I hate you. Welcome back, guys. So last week we had to cut because where's that fuel hose? Yeah, this. Try and bend this, Brian. Like
yeah, there's no. This, while they said it was for a fuel hose, I'm pretty sure if you have one of those gigantic like Connex box size vacuum systems, not that most people watching this would have a Connex size vacuum system to suck out bilges and whatever. This is the hose you would use for that, and just punch a hole in it every foot for a vacuum brake, because there's nothing that's going to collapse this hose. I'm pretty sure we could drive on it, and
Yeah.
it's not going to collapse this hose. So it was not going to bend.
Yeah.
This is great if you have a straight shot to somewhere
boom.
or a nice 90-degree angle. You got a fuel hose that'll outlast
The car.
most countries.
Oh.
So
I had something that would probably get this very kicked off of YouTube, so I'm not gonna say it.
So we a little more research, and our fine friends over in the United Kingdom, they make fuel hose that's flexible,
Yeah,
and it still has metal going through there. It's just not vulcanized heavy-duty rubber that this one is.
Right, because what we're trying to do, and yes, I understand this is not as Factory 5 intended, but you know, race car. But I wanted to have the fuel on the side versus through the wood bed, because I wanted to make the wood bed removable so I can access the battery easier. It's snowball effect. But because of that, you see the weird S-kink that we had to make to get to this con through here. So yes, so that's where we're at right now, and now we're going to do the grounding strap for the fuel tank and the nozzle, the fill holes.
Just remember, folks, if you get one of these, the framing is already set up for a normal-sized racing cell of gasoline. So
No, Brian.
tape measures right over there.
No.
We can tag some measurements on the board.
Because most fuel cells, you have to fill directly into the cell. They don't have a fuel hose filler.
That's fine. We can make that happen, Gary.
Which means we have to cut through the bed. No, Brian. No. We'd have to cut through the bed. The beautiful bed that we just spent all the time building. And there's a strap right in the middle.
Because then there's room on the side for methanol.
Damn it. And an icebox on this side.
And an ice box on that side.
That means turbos.
No.
I tried, guys. Well, you two, because it's only me and 2 other of my watchers that wanted turbos. So, it happens. What can you do? All right, stay tuned, guys. All right, welcome back, guys. So you just saw us finish the fuel system. The fuel fill system. Brian?
Well, it is pretty much the fuel system. That was the last piece.
Yep.
Now we can put fuel from the gas pump into the tank.
And
all that's plumbed. All that's plumbed. Look at that. We got a fuel. We got one full system done.
Yep, one full system. And as you guys can see, this flex hose is amazing. And I actually we were worried about like trying to fit the gas fill nozzle, and I think we put it in a good position because it has like a downward slope, but like it actually kind of curves down, nice angle too, so lets it gravity feed down. No kinks or anything. It actually, I think this will fill quite nicely, and it looks beautiful. Man, I'm pretty stoked. You stoked, Brian?
I am.
Although
not really, because we're one step closer to having to sand all the fiberglass. So.
Yeah, I actually had to stop him from trying to put a knife to this hose when I told him how much I paid for it. He was like, "Oh, guys, yeah, I had to get this in UK. We could not find any flexible hose from any site in the state side."
But I found like 6 of them in England.
Yeah, 6. But we got it, and I was like, "Please don't stab that. You can stab anything else, but that's hard to get."
You want to get a fuel cell?
No. Because there's still gas in there. We're going to have to drain the tank and drop it. And take apart the whole rear end just to get to it.
We can take apart the whole rear end to paint the panels.
Yeah. But not right now. We'd have to do that right away because I don't want fuel to get into the engine. We still got to test drive it before we take it apart. No, Brian. Okay. No, stop. I know that look. You're trying to figure out something to stab right now. No. No.
I won't stab anything. I'm just going to remove stuff.
You can stab the old oil cooler. No, the trans cooler that we're never going to use. You can stab that.
Why don't I have any rear shocks?
No.
I don't know where they
If you can pull those apart by yourself... No, I take that back. Nope, we're going to leave it at this. No.
No, I'm not going to sabotage anything else so I don't have the same fiberglass. Just suck it up and do it, folks.
Yeah, see? And that's why I love you. But yes, I think that's about it for this video. So I really do appreciate you guys watching these videos. If you like this type of content, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and comment down below. And hit the like button. Did I say that? Did I say that?
I can't remember.
I'm losing track. I appreciate you guys. Have a good one. Peace.